we go. This is Naga Bay at Bobbejaanland. Bye bye station house. That's gonna be fun. Woo! Or not. Oh! Woohoo! Great start, I have to tell you. Really great start. It's a heart on a Ferris wheel. Over there is the coaster.
Oh, look.
Here we go. Oi! I like this. This is a Maurer spinner. Here we go again. It's not spinning that much, but I think it's a great ride. It goes backwards. Whee! Nice.
It was very nice.
Oh, I like that. It was a fun coaster. Really liked it. I hope you enjoyed it too. We're gonna ride this powered coaster a little bit later. Oh, okay, that was shaky though, I have to tell you. But the rest of the track, really nice. Naga Bay.